Hey Ben, it's been so long. How have you been?
Hi, Anna. Oh, I've been good, just chasing my cat around the house most days. You?
Just the usual. Drinking too much coffee and watching funny videos online. By the way, your cat is famous in our neighborhood.
Really? Why's that?
Well, I saw Mr. Whiskers climbing Mrs. Brown's tree yesterday. He was trying to catch a bird.
That sounds like him. Always up to some mischief. I guess he's a celebrity now.
Definitely. Oh, and speaking of coffee, have you tried the new coffee shop around the corner?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
It's fantastic. They do this chocolate coffee mix. It's like a dream in a cup.
Sounds tasty. Maybe we can go there tomorrow.
Absolutely. It's a date. And maybe Mr. Whiskers can join us. He might like some milk with his bird-chasing adventures.
Sounds like a plan. See you tomorrow, Anna.
See you, Ben. And give my regards to the neighborhood superstar, Mr. Whiskers.
Max, of all the mysterious places, I never expected to see you here.
Ah, Zoe, just trying to add some suspense to my life. But I can't decide on a book. Any recommendations?
How about The Cat Who Knew Too Much? It's thrilling, but also about a detective cat.
A detective cat? Now, that's a twist I didn't expect. I wonder if the cat gets paid in fish.
Probably. Speaking of fish, didn't you get a new fish tank?
Oh, I did. But the fish seem to be planning something. Every time I walk by, they just stare.
A fishy conspiracy. Maybe you need that detective cat after all.
You might be onto something. By the way, are you coming to the book club meeting on Saturday?
Absolutely. I've got some hilarious notes about the flying penguin mystery. I swear, some of these titles.
Oh, that sounds intriguing. Penguins can't even fly.
Exactly. It's a real cliffhanger. Anyway, see you there?
And if I don't show up, ask the fish. They might know something.
Will do. Stay mysterious, Max.
You too, Zoe, and watch out for those flying penguins.
Tim, fancy meeting you here. Are you also waiting for the famous number 5 bus?
Hey, Sara. Yes, but I think this bus is like a ghost. People talk about it, but no one's seen it.
Oh, tell me about it. Yesterday, I waited so long, I thought I'd grow roots.
Maybe it's a magical bus, like in those fantasy books. Comes only when it feels like it.
Or maybe it's on a secret mission. Anyway, going to the new ice cream shop downtown?
You bet. I heard they got a flavor called Mystery Mint.
Mystery Mint? What's the mystery? Does it vanish like our bus?
Maybe. Or it might turn you into a detective. You'll have to find out.
Challenge accepted. Speaking of challenges, did you try that new dance class?
Oh, the one where they teach you to dance like a robot. I did. Let's just say robots might laugh at me.
I can't even imagine. You'll have to show me some moves.
Only if you promise not to record it. No evidence, please.
Pinky promise. Oh look, the bus is here.
Finally, let's catch it before it vanishes again.
Agreed. To the ice cream shop and beyond.
Leo, Is that you hiding behind the giant sunflower?
Mia, yes, it's me. I swear this sunflower grew overnight. It's like Jack and the beanstalk in here.
Seems so. Maybe by tomorrow, you'll find a golden goose there.
Or maybe some magic beans. Anyway, how's your carrot patch doing?
Funny you ask. I pulled one out yesterday, and it looked like it had 2 legs. I called it the running carrot.
Maybe it's training for the Vegetable Olympics. Have you seen my tomato plant?
Oh, the one that's sprawling everywhere. I think it's planning to take over the garden. Yes.
A tomato invasion. That's a new one. By the way, are you coming to the garden party next week?
And I'm bringing my famous potato salad. I hope it doesn't start dancing on the table.
And I'll bring my strawberry jam. Just watch out, it might be a bit too jamming.
Oh, Leo, always with the puns. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Let's hope our plants behave themselves till then.
If not, we'll know who to blame. Points at the sunflower, the giant over there.
Agreed. See you at the party, Mia.
See you, Leo, and keep an eye on those tomatoes.